Starting around 02 September 2023, Algorand in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.093 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06%. In most recent 60 minutes, Algo most certainly has a really all-out market cap of $730,078,561, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,181,194 in an in every practical sense, significant way. This really makes Algorand, Algo, truly positioning at 46 in the digital currency market, which truly is very critical on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023. What will Algorand in every way that really matters be truly worth in 2023, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Is Algorand an essentially wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Will Algo cost truly outperform its untouched high? By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, these generally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a kind of huge manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost by and large is supposed to basically cross a very normal value level of 12 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to for the most part be 12 cents. Which truly shows that will Algo cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, Algo can basically arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Algorand could sort of stretch around 11 cents, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 explicitly is 10 cents with a typical cost of 11 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand fundamentally is supposed to truly be at around at least 11 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of 12 cents, with the for the most part normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to be at around at least 11 cents, showing how moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023, for the most part is 10 cents, with a truly normal cost of 11 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Algorand cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a very limit of 12 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Algorand value forecast November 2023. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach at a really least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which generally demonstrates the way that Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of 12 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, or so they fundamentally thought. The Algo cost could for the most part arrive at a really greatest worth of 13 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is basically anticipated to arrive at a for the most part normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of 13 cents and an in every practical sense, least of 12 cents, or so they certainly thought. Algorand genuinely passed value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been certainly diminished by 0.93% in its ongoing worth, which in every practical sense is very huge. On the off chance that we basically look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap truly is likewise down. Further appearance how Algorand, Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand explicitly is somewhat anticipated to truly arrive at an especially normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 13 cents and at least 12 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand especially is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which truly is genuinely critical. The algo sort of is down to nearly 2.59% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which by and large is very critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past essentially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't in every way that really matters. Imagine that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, showing how these truly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a genuinely huge manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo explicitly diminished by 60.399%, dispensing with an incredible exceptionally normal amount of 14 cents from its by and large current worth, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an essentially decent, certainly purchase an open door for fundamentally speedy venture. So Algorand value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand really is supposed to be at around a by and large least of 11 cents, exhibiting how moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in a real sense is 10 cents with a typical cost of 11 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 61.84%, and the cost generally coursed from an essentially least truly normal cost of 23 cents to fundamentally most extreme truly normal cost of 25 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, which essentially shows that Algorand, Algo, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is truly anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 13 cents and an in every practical sense, least of 12 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand generally is somewhere near 50.13%. With the sort of greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 17 cents, and the kind of least essentially normal cost of in a real sense was around 16 cents in truly beyond 4 months in a genuinely large manner. Algorand value gauge 2023 facts. What will be Algorand genuinely worth in 2023? Which by and large is very huge. The Algo value sort of is estimated to really arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 13 cents, with certainly least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Or so they basically thought. Does Algorand in every practical sense have a future in an unpretentious way? As far as value, Algorand most certainly has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels, showing how on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in a really significant manner? It for the most part is figure that Algo will increment in esteem, which truly is genuinely huge. As indicated by sort of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Algorand can for the most part raised a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of